I have been personally compared to a Nazi called hateful, transphobic, and harmful by sitting members of this legislature simply for expressing common sense views in my religious beliefs. Good morning, members. My name is Sophia Lorey, and I'm with California Family Council in opposition to AB 1803, which adds an anti-hate speech training to California's already mandated workplace harassment training. The core problem is simple. You cannot regulate what you cannot define. Hate speech has no settled legal definition, and the Supreme Court has made clear it is not a First Amendment exception. Yet this bill requires California employers to train employees on a concept the law itself does not define. That means employers will be forced to rely on shifting cultural and political standards to determine what qualifies as hate. And we already know how that plays out. I've experienced it firsthand. I've been personally compared to a Nazi called hateful, transphobic, and harmful by sitting members of this legislature simply for expressing common sense views in my religious beliefs. I was an invited speaker at a library event in Davis. I was removed and the event was shut down by the librarian after I said boys should not compete in girls' sports. A viewpoint I was told was illegal misgendering. I filed a First Amendment lawsuit and the county attorney immediately backed down. Also, at a recent press conference on the issue of protecting girls' sports in Long Beach, high school female athletes spoke about their discomfort sharing locker rooms and sports with males. I personally invited Assemblymember Lowenthal, who showed up, to come speak alongside them if he was ready to protect them. Instead, those girls reported that he flipped off the press conference. Now, maybe the anger was directed at the legislators present and not the high school girls, but how is the author of an anti-hate bill promoting civility when he could not even exercise this self-control to refrain from that kind of conduct in front of high school girls? So I have to ask, under this bill, who decides what is hate? Would my speech, those girls' concerns, and common sense beliefs be labeled hate? This bill doesn't stop hate. It decides who gets labeled as hateful. This is not neutral training. This is compelled ideology. We respectfully urge a no vote on AB 1803. Thank you.